So we decided to do a force-on-force competition against the Navy SEAL team. The objective was kind of one team was going to defend, one team was going to play the offense, and we ended up defending a building. They got dropped off about 1.5 kilometers away. Their objective was to attack and land a drone on our building. Our objective was to attack and land a drone in the vicinity of them. We positioned our team that was flying our drones on a separate roof from where the target roof was, hoping that if they see some movement on that roof, it could distract them and buy us a little bit more time. We also set up a jammer on the target roof, and we were hoping that if they were on a common RF band that we could jam, we could figure out what band they were on and then try and jam that so they would lose their video link and not be able to land on the roof.
Where have you searched currently? We need to deconflict areas of search.
So the general strategy for both teams was essentially send out an ISR platform that has a more capable camera to identify where the other team was at. And then you would send in your FPV drone that would have the lethal payload on it, and that would be your strike drone.
Good strike, good strike. All right, bring it down.
Time?